Oh, here we go. Wait. Okay, so they didn't salt the roads. Wait, what are we supposed to do? Okay, so maybe we're not gonna run outside. We're gonna go to the gym.
What do you always say?
There's no excuse to get a workout in.
Don't you mean there's no excuse to not work out?
Yeah. My favorite thing about when it snows in New York is that it forces all of these neurotic New Yorkers to just give in. Because Mother Nature is a force to be reckoned with. Oh no, they're stuck. They can't move. My roommate is building an igloo. So I'm deep conditioning my hair, and my accomplice is helping me rinse it out.
Thanks. After doing hair for about 30 seconds.
This part. Oh, that's green. Get that part out. The status of the igloo. Oh wow. It's looking good. Looks awesome.
Look at that.
I think we could do 2 people in there lying down.
Oh my god.
See, the only problem is the table's over here, so it's like
Oh, we can't build out sideways?
you can the tables are here, so it's basically like one long thing.
Alright. So it's more like a coffin. Hold on, let me see that.
It looks great. That's where you're gonna live, Nemo.
Going out there.
I think there's a car behind us because we are walking in the middle of the street, but that's because there are so many snowbanks that you don't know where to walk. It's awesome. Bunch of bundled up people breaking all the rules. It just feels like a different kind of New York. Doesn't it just feel
right now.
Yeah, it feels like the apocalypse. I love it.
Blizzard.
We went to the wine store, which was surprisingly open. Not surprisingly, because they're probably making a ton of money tonight. What are we making? We're making Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, beans, onions, spinach, a lot of greens, like all kinds. But the best part, let me just show you. We got sweet potato fries and carrot fries with a little extra jalapeno because we like it spicy.